Today I am discussing about information networks in India. This topic is a part of Unit 1st Science Information Systems and Networks India, detailed in Module 2nd in paper Information Systems and Services. Networking is one of the thrust area in library and information science. A computer network or data network is a telecommunication network that allows computers to exchange data. In computer networks, networked computing devices pass data to each other along data connections. The connections between nodes are established using either cable media or wireless media. Objectives of networking: improving resource utilization and service through automation at various levels, facilitating access to composite databases, implementation of interlibrary loans document delivery services. It also aids swap of spare publications and facilitating central catalog search, harping on ICT in every aspects of library functioning and forming benchmark and sharing of best practices at every. The next is types of networks in India. Networks can be classified into two. The first one is infrastructure network and second is application network. Okay, what is this infrastructure network? The networks that provide connectivity to several institutions for information transfer among them. This kind of network is example is NICNet, Indonet and AirNet. The second one is application network. It is a network of a group of identical institutions to achieve certain desired objectives. Example of this type of network is CalibNet, Delnet, Influnet and Bonet. Next is Delnet, Developing Libraries Network. Started at the Indian International Central Library in January 1988. One of the major objectives is to promoting resource sharing among libraries. Compilation of various union catalog of the resources available in member libraries. Collection of various catalogs and databases for books, periodicals, theses and dissertation, CD-ROM databases. These are the major collections providing Delnet and also reducing sharing for library modernization in India. Objectives of Delnet is promote sharing resource among the libraries, undertake scientific research in information science and technology, coordinate with other regional, national and international networks and libraries to exchange information, technical guidelines to member libraries, collection development, establishment of referral and research centers, maintain a central online union catalog for participating libraries, development of specialized bibliographic databases, maintaining electronic and mechanical equipment for speedy communications. Activities and services of Delnet. It created ebooks databases for the use of its member libraries. It maintains 36,000 records of online union list of current journals, science, technology, social science and humanities. This database is updated annually. Delnet supplying the photocopies of the journal articles to the requesting libraries. It also maintains databases on CD-ROM, video recordings and sound recordings available in the member libraries. It maintains union list of theses and dissertations, list of newspapers and directory of member libraries. It provides access to the database such as US patents, full-text engineering and technology journals, Medline and other databases of National Library of Medicine. It provides online interlibrary loan services along with document delivery system. It offers services to retroconversion to the use of Mark 21 format. Developing library network was functioning only at the city level and slowly it emerged as a global library networking center. It is supported by the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology and Ministry of Culture, Government of India. The services of Delnet is cost-based. Currently it serves to 47,046 member libraries which include both national and foreign libraries. Now, Delnet is a major digital library resource in South Asia. Next is National Informatics Center Network, NICNet. Established on 1991. It is a satellite-based computer network set to provide information services to the central and state government department and its organizations. It providing computing and two-way data communication infrastructure to aid planning and monitoring of schemes and decision-making activities in the government. It plays a major role in the revolution at all levels, like what district level, state level, and national level. The national level products provided by NICNET has been providing a number of products and services. The first one is District of India Directory, and second is Government of India Web Directory, and third is NICNET Biomedical Information Service. Next is ERNET, Education and Research Network. It was initiated by Department of Electronics. It's a computer network for academic research community in India. Okay. It reached hundreds of academic research institutions covering a number of scientific and engineering disciplines. ERNET infrastructure is a judicial mix of satellite and terrestrial network ideally suited for the education and research community in the country. Focus of ERNET in India is not limited to just providing connectivity, but to meet the entire needs of the academic and research institutions by providing consultancy, project management, training, and other value-added services such as web hosting, email services, video conferencing, domain registration. Next is CalibNet. CalibNet is a metropolitan network. It covers 38 libraries of Calcutta, financially supported by NISAT. Responsibility of the CalibNet is to collecting, processing, and holding information on local computers. It providing following activities: email facilities, file transfer facilities, remote logon, database development, and document access. CalibNet provides current awareness services globally. Okay. SDI, Union Catalog, partial databases, and access to national and international databases. This network mode contribution in automation of libraries in cataloging automation, serial control automation, acquisition automation, fund accounting automation, circulation automation, local user service. Discussing objectives of CalibNet. Major objectives of the Calcutta Public Library networks covers it providing electronic access to globally available information. It is computer-based library automation and networking, facilitating remote access to the holding of data and other database towards bibliographic resource sharing amongst libraries. Major aim of the CalibNet is to create systematic interlibrary cooperation and document delivery amongst the libraries of Calcutta. Next is Indonet. Indonet is the first nationwide computer network set up in India in the early 1980s. This connection would facilitate entry to public data network of other countries. Okay. Indonet user can access the network service through dial-up to terminal services, X.2a dial-up or leased line pad, X.25 connections on switch, TCP/IP connections on router. It includes email services. It covers file transfer, remote computing and database services for online information, internet mailing and access, voice and video conferencing, credit card authorization, online payment transactions for utilities like electricity, water, and telephones. Okay, distributed data processing and database services, web-based applications. Also covers Indonet is suited to corporate communications, information retrieval, remote job applications. Next thing about Influbinet. It is a autonomous inter-university center of the University Grants Commission of India. It was initiated in 1991. Headquarters is located at Gujarat University campus, Ahmedabad. It is involved in modernizing university libraries in India. It connects universities and other information centers in the country through a nationwide high-speed data network using state-of-the-art technologies. Okay, it is a major player in promoting scholarly communication among academicians and researchers in India. Next, we are discussing about objectives of Influbinet. to promote and implement computerization, to provide standards and uniform guidelines, to provide reliable access to document collection of libraries, provide bibliographic information sources, develop new methods and techniques for archival, optimize information resource utilization, create databases, project institutions and specialists, encourage cooperation among libraries, documentation centers and information centers in the country. Next, we are discussing functions of InfluBNet. Functions of the InfluBNet is covered to facilitate academic communication, to undertake system design and studies in the field of communication, computer networking, information handling and data management, to collaborate with institutions, libraries, information centers and other organizations. Major activities of InfluBNet. Major activities of InfluBNet is covers e-consortium, e-PG Padashala, INGAT Union Database, Open Access Initiative, Research Project, SOL and Vidwan Database. These are the major activities provided in InfluBNet through the entire nation. Next we are discussing BONET, the Bombay Library Network. BONET was set up in 1992 by the National Center for Software Technology, Mumbai, sponsored by NISAT. It aims at promoting cooperation among libraries in Bombay. Okay, the BONET will offer training related to computerization and networking to the participating libraries. Next is BISNET, Biotechnology Information System Network. It was established by the Department of Biotechnology at the national level. It creates and maintains databases and provides network services in 6 different areas of biotechnology involving 10 specialized centers in 7 cities. The user centers provide access points for information available at the specialized centers. It also provides a mechanism to keep the databases up to date with the findings and results from their laboratories. Next, we are discussing about Scientific and Industrial Network, CERNET. The CERNET is a project of INSTOC aims at networking all 40 CSIR laboratories under CERNET was made operational in December 1989. At present, CERNET provides electronic mail facility as its first application service from the CERNET service with a mail number of user nodes. Okay, CERNET is proposed to interconnect all the CSIR laboratories and other R&D institutions of India. The ultimate aim of CERNET is to link entire scientific community of a nation with the national library systems and the international links to achieve efficient scientific communication. The objective of CERNET is to help organize indigenous online database service on food technology, natural products, chemistry, radiophysics and medicinal plants. MyLibNet, Mysore Library Network. Mysore Library Network was established at Mysore in the year 1994 with the financial assistance from NISAD at the Central Food Technological Research Institute of Mysore. Next is MALIBNET, Management Libraries Network. It was established for sharing of resources and information among the management and business libraries and librarians. Next is WebNest, the West Bengal Public Library Network. It is an initiative of Department of Mass Education and Extension and Library Services, Government of West Bengal. State Central Library West Bengal is the apex library in the network. Next is Ahmedabad Library Network. It is a library network of Ahmedabad area. It was established in 1994. It caters to libraries of school, college, universities and institutional libraries and even public libraries of Ahmedabad. We concluding, information is a vital resource for users and information specialists. Okay. The area of topic concerned with National Information Systems and Service currently operating in the country. The networking helps in coordination and activities, sharing and resources and services of network pattern. The use of common integrated package with built-in network interface should be introduced and promoted. Direct interaction between users and information banks through network should be prompted for better awareness and increased use. Thank you.